Hello, and welcome to another episode of Conversational Phrases. These essential English phrases will help you on your journey to becoming fluent in speaking in English. Now, as we begin the journey of learning these new phrases, I want you to remember that nothing is gained if you do not practice. Let me say that again. Nothing is gained unless you practice. These essential phrases are what you might find or expect when engaging in conversation. So, if you want to sound effortless in your speaking, you must practice. For example, if you hear the phrase jump on the bandwagon or bite the bullet, if you practice what you learned today, you will understand how to use these phrases when you are in a conversation. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. Our first idiom for today is bite the bullet. No, it doesn't mean literally biting a bullet. This phrase is used when someone endures a difficult or painful situation with courage and determination. For instance, if you have to apologize for something you've done wrong, even though it's hard, you're biting the bullet. Jump on the bandwagon doesn't involve any real jumping or any actual bandwagon. What it means is to join others in doing something that has become fascinating, fashionable, or popular. So, if you decide to try a new trend because everyone else is doing it, you're jumping on the bandwagon. Now, let's talk about the green thumb. If you're picturing a thumb painted green, think again. A green thumb is someone who has a natural talent or skill in gardening or growing plants. So, if your grandmother's garden is always thriving, you could say she has a green thumb. Let's now give thought to the phrase, give someone the benefit of the doubt. This phrase is used when you decide to believe someone's statement or explanation without being overly suspicious. If you decide to trust someone's explanation, even though you have your own doubts, you're giving them the benefit of that doubt. Our last phrase is an idiom, throw in the towel. This idiom has nothing to do with towels or throwing them. The meaning is to give up, surrender, or to admit defeat. Throwing in the towel is deciding to call a professional to complete a task that has been very challenging and unrewarding to you. These type of essential English phrases add color and depth to the English language. These type of phrases are an interesting part of the English language, and knowing a few of them can help you understand and enjoy the English language even more. You are now ready to respond when you hear someone say they're going to bite the bullet or jump on the bandwagon. You'll know exactly what to say and what they mean. Before I conclude today's session, I want to thank you for joining me. I want to encourage you to continue to practice. And if you enjoyed this session, please subscribe to this channel, make comments, and be sure to share this with your friends. Until next time, happy learning.